Díomh a chuirde agus fáilte romh chuig an fhí seán seo. Is me sé Emer Hayes agus is múntóir Gaeilge mail ExamRevision. So in this video, bemid I dtír stach here Leaving Cert Higher Level Gaeilge Predictions 2025. So in this video, we'll be looking at common trends across the Leaving Cert Higher Level Gaeilge paper, and from that then we'll be making predictions as to this year's paper in 2025. Now bear in mind these predictions, they are not a guarantee, but they are a very good indicator as to how you may approach your study over the coming weeks. Right, so Solados Nomid Kahik tú an lagnamach of Eroscut. So before you go into the exam, you must make sure that you know the layout of the paper. So Popper Hain, 160 marks, you have the Clus Tishkent, so that's 60 marks there. Then you have your Capadorp section, which is your written section, which is 100 marks. And this can comprise of the Ashta, the Sporok, the Orad, or the Scale. Now, again, the majority of people tend to go for the Ashta there. Now, in Popper Do, 200 marks, we have the Leif Hishkent. We have two Leif Hishkents, Leif Hishkent to Hain Stove, 50 marks each. We have our Prose section there, which is our Turkan mark, 13 marks. Our Dawn, which is Turkan mark. And you have your Trait Brescia Freshen, which is 40 marks there. So we're just going to take a minute to have a look through the complete revision package that is on offer for students who become users of the ExamRevision platform. So this might be of interest particularly to fifth year students who are halfway there now in their Leaving Cert course and would like extra bit of help there to tackle their revision. So what are you going to get as part of this complete revision package? What is on offer to you? So again, you have bite-sized video tutorials on every single topic of the subject that you want to study. Okay, so that is really, really useful to you to be able to just recap over something you might have, learned in class that day, or if it was a month ago, you want to just, quickly revise it and just test your knowledge on it. So that's really, really nice there. You have your PowerPoint presentations, which you can watch and you can download them as well. You have your H1 notes there to keep you on track. You have your exam paper questions and your mock exam paper questions as well. And as part of that, then all the marking schemes for those are up there as well for you. You'll get your quizzes. So what a lot of people would tend to do is they'll watch the video, they'll have their notes alongside them. Then they're going to try a quiz, and then from that, then you're going to dive in when you feel you're ready for it, and you're going to attempt that exam paper question after doing all of that revision. So really nice structure there, and it keeps you on track. And then another way of, I suppose, keeping you on track, keeping you on target is keeping a nice reflection log. Okay, so to be able to make a study plan from day one and have it digitalized, that you're able to go back in, you're not worried about losing, a copy, or you're not worried about losing a sheet of paper where you had your whole study plan on. You can go in there now and you can see, okay, this is what I've done in September, this is what I've done in October. So just keeping track of what you've done, and it just keeps yourself a little bit accountable as well. And as well as that, then we try and keep up to date with our technology. So again, this platform is user friendly to you as you approach your study. So just having a look there now, we've 21 Leaving Cert subjects fully completed there for you as part of this revision package. Okay, and this is to include the exam paper questions and your marking schemes alongside it. Okay, so again, really, really useful tool for you there. So look, again guys, our aim here is we want to be able to put together a revision package here that suits your needs, that you're able to equip yourself with the tools to be able to study effectively. And we've looked at the feedback, we've listened to teachers, we've listened to students, to parents, and from our reviews you can see that they are quite positive here. We've had over 200 5-star reviews, so again, looking very, very positive there that we are putting the right steps in place and we want to ensure that we're able to equip you with the best tools to be able to, study to the best of your ability. So tus nó mí leis an glús tuiscint dús. So again guys, clochta dhéanam mástrucht caithfh bheith clochta an timer fád. Try to be practicing these glús tuiscints as regularly as you can. Agus meid se bhábalta, store fochail a bheith rólascoibh agus na ceisna chatínta ahanú. So to be able to recognise those commonly used questions to build up your store fochail. So the ceisna chatínta there, your cad, céird, cén fá, ché bhéad, cén chi. So, all of those common questions that are used, make sure you know those and you don't get them mixed up, okay? For your store fochail then, there does tend to be, commonly used store fochail across the years. And I suppose a good place to start off would be knowing your áiteanna Ivercha, your airgid there. So what I mean by this, your áiteanna, make sure that you know the counties of Ireland. So again, do you know your cúnta Chiari, your cúnta Limní, cúnta Mayo, cúnta Íogálaí, that sort of thing. So to be able to identify what they sound like, but also to be able to write them down and have the correct spelling there is really, really important. Your Ivercha then, this comes up in a number of ways. You're very aware now that there's many ways of counting in Irish. You have, counting people, you've dinner birth for Cahara, or if you're counting in order there, say, if there is a Dalta there in school, they might be Sacade Blian, Sadar Blian, first year, second year, 3 Blian, that sort of thing, okay? So be aware of that as well. Cane Town, just keep an eye out on, when you're talking about the time that you are very aware of, Lahore, Taresh, Caharu, Conna, that sort of thing, okay? So be aware of that. And your Argid then as well. That is a common question. Kevit Argid, so how much money it might be for a ticket, that sort of thing. So your Pusna, your Garm Vahar, Shlivaha, so your career, your Pusna, your jobs there. So have a list of jobs there that you're learning off. Your Irishore, your firm, your have all of the jobs learned off there, your Lake Door, etc. Agus Fraga Gakist, make sure that you attempt every single question. Even Mona Digginjiv, Katá raw egg on Gustishkint, try to answer, give it a go. You will get marks for writing down or making an attempt. If it looks very similar to the answer, you may get marks there. So always attempt every question. Spog me the raig agus be me dig fécin there and gap adorked, so the written section of paper 1. Now, having a look at 2025, what would be the possible topics that could come up this year? So again, if you were to have a look there now, the Leaving Cert is going through a curriculum change at the minute. So again, the course of Dachas or course of Buinty, could strongly be on the cards there for the Capadorct section. As well as that then, technologicht with the onset of AI there now, and the man so Shilta, that could be a possible topic as well. So, what has come up, time and time again, we have 5-11 in Ladini Oiga, and that can, that essay in itself, you can use, other topics that you've learned to, be part of that. So you could use a paragraph on technologicht within that essay on Oiga. It's a really, really nice one, and it does tend to come up year on year there now. So I suppose when you're looking at topic Gaeilge, then just kind of umlan kinta and your olva had there done screwdo. If you're fully prepared there, have a glance at your 5 in associates, your team blocked 5 either not shown to there what's happening in the US, the politics in the US, and of course Slánta then. So they're just a couple of sample topics, but those 3 topics there about the course of dachas technologies, feimna van le dinioica, I feel that they are a strong shout there for this year's paper. As well as that, have a look at an essay on Gaeilge. Hasn't come up in quite a while, and with the onset of the band kneecap and their efforts there, that could also be a possible topic to come up. So I would, ones there now that I've marked, would be ones I would be focusing on. So with the paper though, beg to Dana on leifishkin there dus. You'll have 2 leifishkins, and you need to make sure that again you have those commonly used questions. And I know that most people, they will be more concerned about Kesht 6a and 6b. So let's have a look at it here now. So just to start off, you need to know the tenses. Really, really important. In your 6a, you will have to call out, or you need to piochamach the Aimsir Kata, or it could be the Aimsir Law, or Aimsir Oshnach, or your Seir. Often they'll ask you to pick out Céimna Comprad and a Hadiakta, and there could also be a Tishaglinaduk question in there as well. Now, part of your 6b then, usually it it's based on Trehandina. So the common traits of winning le fashion show no connosach an shocked a vime art. So how did this passage, or how did this paragraph, this leif hishkent affect you, or have an impact on you? So again, you're trying to be personal here, give your own personal response in this. So again, tá sé rólas gom, we have a lot to prepare for our stories, for our prose, for our filiocht. So again, what have been the trends, over the number of years? So again, in 2024, we had Cácha Milish and Dísh. 2023, we had Oisín Daoine Nóg, we had Dísh. In 2022, we had Cácha Milish and her Lama book. And in 2021, we had Oisín Daoine Nóg and Dísh. So again, you can see a pattern here, where you have Oisín Daoine Nóg that, it has been coming up every second year. It came up in 2021 and 2023. So there is a high possibility there, guys, that, that trend, that pattern will continue. And the prediction is there that, Oisín may be on this year's paper and is a strong contender there. As well as that, her Lama book could also come up. So it hasn't come up again since 2022. So you can see there now. It came up in 2022. So again, that is a possibility there. So we would say those 2 there. So as a third one then, you may like to look at, Cácha Milish, Arish. But again, these guys look like the ones to have a look at. So again, the filiocht, so just having a look at the trends over a number of years with this. So in 2024, we had Gaeilge and Antrach here. 2023, we had McGrath, either Lubini, August, and Spalpin Fónach. We had Antrach here, August Kulskara in 2022. And we had in 2021, Spalpin Fónach, August Gaeilge. So again, having a look there at the trends, you can see there Kulskara, it hasn't come up since 2022. So again, when you're having a look at, say now, Gaeilge, Gaeilge didn't come up for between 2021 and 2024. It had a 2-year gap, and you can see there now from 2022, the Kulskara also has a 2-year gap there, so it's due to come up this year. So that's a strong possibility. As well as that, Magrosa, Magrosa hasn't come up since 2023, and it was a while before it came up previous to that. So again, could be a strong contender there as well. So those two are the predictions there. But if you want to, be extra careful there, you could have a look at the other poems as well, just to be sure. Make sure you know the Prose, the Nachna Tábhachtach, the Fila, the Thema and the Mochucán. So, your core topics associated with the poetry. So, fake me the nish air on literature Vresha. Okay, so the additional literature there. So, Brahan air on wrong. So again, depends on what class you might have been in. You might have had a look at an trailer or a So again, Gaeilge the character of script. You need to know the main characters there. You need to know about Mara, Padraig, but not only that, not just the main characters, but you also need to know the main character freshen, non they drew their shin. Don't forget that, because you see the main character, they have an impact and they give us information about the sochi and Aglish Lekach, Kuch na Haglishe. So again, they inform us about what society was like at the time, and they inform us on, their behaviour, their umper, informs us on what society was like at that time. Okay, so I think not term then, beacon to make sure Abalta Sailing Oiga Avinu. So are you able to describe and explain his life growing up as a young boy? And we're looking at it through the eyes of him. It's a very clear account of his childhood memories, So as well as that then, the Idachas of the Sailing Scola, we can clearly see there that there is a stark difference there between, the way the education system is run now and how it was back then during that time. So Tailach agus an Baile, we get a very good insight into the relationships within the family, and about his area as well. Not only that, but an Gaeilge agus an Gaeltacht, being a native Irish speaker, we're able to get an insight there into his life there and his connection to the Irish language. And last but not least then, make sure that you know the technique literature. So again, how does he bring in a little bit of humour into those darker moments, or how does he bring a memory to life so that we're able to follow along and feel that we're almost watching it from the inset. So looking at that there, those would be the core topics that I would be getting you to focus on when you're revising the Literature Brescia.